Belcalis Cephus, professionally known as Cardi B, is an American rapper and songwriter. She was born on 11th of October in 1992. Today she is 32 years old. Cardi B has established herself as one of the most successful female artists in music. From 2015 to early 2017, she gained recognition on Vine and Instagram as cast member of VH1's Love and Hip Hop New York, and by releasing 2 mixtapes. Her studio albums include Invasion of Privacy, released in 2018, and she was recognized by Forbes as one of the most influential female rappers of all time. Cardi B holds various records among women's hip-hop. She is the female rapper with the most #1 singles, 5 on Billboard Hot 100, and only female rapper to achieve multiple solo #1s, and only to release #1 single in 2 decades, 2010s and 2020s. She won many awards including 6 Guinness World Records, 6 American Music Awards, 8 Billboard Music Awards, MTV Video Music Awards, 14 BET Hip Hop Awards, 2 ASCAP Songwriter of the Year, and Time listed her as one of 100 most influential people in 2018, and Billboard named her Woman of the Year in 2020. Besides her successful career in music, she also acted in television shows such as Love and Hip Hop, Being Mary Jane, Hip Hop Square, Saturday Night Live, The Night Show starring Jimmy Fallon, Untold Story of Hip Hop, Rhythm, Cardi B Tries, Baby Shark's Big Show. In movies, she acted in Hustle, released in 2019, F9, released in 2021, Renaissance, and Baby Shark Big Movie, released in 2023. Wishing happy birthday to Cardi B. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write in the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uyu munsi isabukuru y'amavuko ya Belcalis Cephus, uzwi nka Cardi B. Uyu munsi agiye isabukuru y'imyaka 32, akaba ari umunyamerika w'umuraperi ndetse n'umwanditsi w'indirimbo. Mu muziki yatsindiye ibihembo byinshi cyane harimo nka Grammy Award, Billboard Music Award, inshuro 6 yatsindiye Guinness World Record, inshuro 6 yatsindiye American Music Award, inshuro 4 yatsindiye MTV Video Music Award, inshuro 14 yatsindiye BET Hip Hop Award, ndetse n'inshuro 2 atsindira ASCAP Songwriter of the Year. Ikinyamakuru Time cyo muri Amerika cyamushyize ku bantu 100 bavuga rikijyana ku isi mu mwaka wa 2018, naho Billboard yamugize umugore w'umwaka mwaka wa 2020. Tuvuye mu muziki, Cardi B yakinnye mu mafilime harimo nka Rhythm Flow, Hustlers, Shark Baby Movies ndetse na F9 yasohotse muri 2021. Akoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba kandi like na subscribe ujye umenya amakuru agezweho. Hari itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.